My name is Roberto, and I'm an electrical engineer here at UCF. The reason that I applied for the internship here at Earthrise is because I wanted hands-on experience working with a team of engineers. And that's exactly what I got when I joined Earthrise. The reason that I like working here is because I get a lot of experience, and the people here make it really fun and exciting to come to work every day. My first task here at Earthrise was to design and build a solar charger for this battery. Now, the reason that we don't just carry a lot of batteries to the moon is because they're really big and heavy, as well as a generator would also take up a lot of space and be really heavy to send to the moon. So what we decided to do was a small battery pack and solar panels, and from there the solar panels would charge up the battery. My task was to make a solar charger that would input the power from the solar panels and output the correct power to the battery, because this battery doesn't look like it, but it's a bit picky and it likes its power in a certain way, and that was my first task here. Part of my task involves surface mount technology, which is a way to solder parts onto a PCB, and hopefully I can show you and demonstrate how to surface mount. What I'm going to be using today is a very nice soldering station provided by Weller that has many features like a soldering iron and a vacuum iron, which really helps during the soldering process. If you're new to this, you might want to start off by tinning your iron, and this helps in preserving the tip. You want to do that before and after you use it. Make sure that the temperature doesn't go above 700 degrees Fahrenheit, because you don't want to burn the integrated circuit when you touch it. The first part of soldering a surface mount integrated circuit is to first align it with the part. What I'm using here today is an old graphics card that really didn't want to work for me anymore. It's already on there and it's already aligned perfectly, and I just removed the solder that was already there. It's already in place, and you can put it in place by either soldering it onto the board or using thermal paste to hold it in place. The first part of what you're going to do is solder a little bit onto there, onto a single corner, just to hold it in place. The next step after you have the integrated circuit aligned is to use a little bit of flux, a lot of flux, and just run it up and down the pins so they're all coated in flux. Solder already comes with a little bit of flux, but that's not enough to keep this from overheating, and that's why we apply a lot of flux. Then you want to put a little bit of solder onto your tip and run it up and down the pins. And everything falls into place.